At Master Services, we're a customer service company first, and we want to give wow service to every customer every time. The main reason why we come to work is for our families, and we have to ensure that we're here for each other.
Every day we just get up with the mindset of how are we going to help someone today.
When I'm out at a customer's home, I'm still giving them that wow service that they got from the sales inspector, from the production team.
Everybody has their same values. You know, we're all here for the customer and to do the right thing.
One of the things that make me really proud to work with Master Services is our mission statement of do the right thing. I know that everybody out there, they're doing the right thing. They're treating the customers the way I would want them to treat my parents.
The group of girls I work with, they're my family, down to my supervisor.
The best part of my day is coming to see my family, coming to see my friends.
I've never experienced a place like this where the culture is that family-oriented.
Every job says it's like a family, but at the end of the day, we're here to get our job done, but we're also here for each other as people too.
At the beginning of every month, we have what we call one team meeting. It's a morale booster. It's something we feel has definitely improved our culture over the last few years, and it's something that has to happen.
This company is all about people, and it's not just about people who we can help. It's also about people internally. I've seen so many people grow because of the team that was put around them.
One of the great things about working at Master Services is that the company truly invests in our employees.
I worked my way from a third man to a co-foreman all the way up to a foreman and ran my own crew here for a couple of years. The company itself gives you the tools to be able to continue to grow your careers here.
I actually started out in customer care. After I had my baby, a position opened up in logistics, and I was ready to learn more and be an asset to the company.
I'm very grateful and lucky to have a boss that sees in me opportunity to grow.
I think we all agree that work-life balance is important. We put our employees' wants and needs at a very high level.
Someone's child has a football game or a basketball game. We want them to share those memories and not be stuck at the office. So we give them the tools to make sure they can accommodate those types of things.
This industry is growing. I couldn't tell someone not to work here, even if they don't know anything about what we do. Just come and learn.
If you're looking for a family atmosphere, if you're someone who wants to have a career, not a job, this is the place for you.
It don't matter your background, don't matter where you're coming from. This is the kind of company that is welcome you and is going to give you opportunities.
Master Services has been the biggest blessing to me and my family.
I came here looking for a job and I found a family.